What if Apple's next big iPhone ends up stealing the spotlight from one of Samsung's thinnest and most stylish flagships yet? That's exactly the kind of showdown we're looking at right now, because the Galaxy S25 Edge may soon have a serious rival, and it could arrive in just a matter of weeks. For months, Samsung has been promoting the Galaxy S25 Edge as one of the slimmest flagship phones in the market. At only 5.8 millimeters thin, it feels more like a polished piece of glass and metal than a traditional phone, yet it still packs powerful specs. We're talking about the Snapdragon 8 Elite chipset, 12 gigabytes of RAM, and a solid camera system, all inside a body slimmer than most wallets. But here's the twist. Reports say that Apple has been working on an ultra-thin iPhone of its own. And if the leaks are true, it's going to be called the iPhone 17 Air. Even more shocking, it could be just 5.5 millimeters thin, making it slimmer than the Galaxy S25 Edge. Imagine holding a phone that feels almost like a sheet of paper in your hands. Now, we don't yet know everything about Apple's design or specs, but rumors hint at some compromises. To achieve such an unbelievably slim frame, Apple may be cutting down on hardware. For example, instead of multiple cameras like we usually see on iPhones, this model might only feature one single rear camera. There's also talk that Apple might skip a bottom speaker altogether, leaving just the earpiece at the top for sound output. If that's true, you'd basically be giving up stereo sound for the sake of a thinner phone. Meanwhile, the Galaxy S25 Edge doesn't cut as many corners. Despite being slim, it offers a full feature set, multiple cameras, a top-tier processor, and a design that doesn't compromise too much for thinness. On paper, it seems like Samsung has the edge, no pun intended. But here's the big question. Will that matter if Apple manages to release a phone that's even slimmer and carries the iPhone name? The timing couldn't be more interesting. Apple hasn't officially confirmed it yet, but several reports suggest that their big launch event is scheduled for September 9th. That's when the iPhone 17 lineup is expected to be revealed, and the slim iPhone 17 Air be the star of the show. So, we're looking at a head-to-head battle. The Galaxy S25 Edge, with its balance of slimness and full features, against the iPhone 17 Air, which could win hearts purely on looks and branding, even if it means sacrificing things like extra cameras or speakers. It really comes down to what people value more. Do you want a slim phone that still checks all the boxes, like the Galaxy S25 Edge? Or are you ready to accept fewer features for the absolute slimmest phone on the market? Something Apple fans might happily do if it means getting the iPhone 17 Air in their hands. At the end of the day, design plays a huge role in how people choose their phones. Even if the Galaxy S25 Edge makes more sense logically, Apple's history shows that millions will buy whatever looks new and different, regardless of compromises. So, what do you think? Will Samsung's Galaxy S25 Edge hold its ground, or is Apple about to take over the thin phone spotlight with the iPhone 17 Air? Share your thoughts in the comments. I'd love to hear your take. And if you don't want to miss any updates on this upcoming clash between Samsung and Apple, make sure to like this video and subscribe to the channel. We'll keep you posted on all the latest leaks and announcements.